Yeah, it's on.
Okay, hold on. Oh, yeah. Just grab it by the wires. Switch. Guitars are fun to break.
I gotta get this on.
Is it gonna be too bright or what?
I don't know. Oh well, we'll see. Oh, nice, I got that.
Yeah, we're doing that again.
Okay, one more. This is the last thing.
Why?
I don't know.
Wait.
Okay, that's enough.